Hello everyone, it's Paula with Sparkle Farts Papercrafts and also Twinkle Trail Creates. Today I want to show off my Siren's Call junk journal. This kit is from April Storm. So yeah, let's get started. Here's the cover and the back. I use this awesome leather snap closure to keep it shut because she was a little bit of an alligator mouth. Beautiful, beautiful papers. So I made this clear pocket to keep the captain's private papers in. Some of you might have seen my other video showing making this little booklet type thing. Has little flip out pages. And I tucked this in, Little Mermaid, thinking that maybe the captain has been to this little underwater world before. And that was his lady friend he met. I did a little video of making this little notebook too, I think. Little tiny writing space. I love it. It looks like a little wallet. And then here's all the captain's pictures of where he's been, what he's done, and apparently where he left his treasure. I would need a map myself, but I mean there is one in here somewhere. And a key, probably for that treasure chest. So I love this guy. I made these into flips. So fun. And then she is hiding along with this little hidden paper clip, little writing spot, another captain's log sheet. I did do a live the other day while I was making all of the hidden paper clips that were in here. Those are in my live history if you want to go watch that. I didn't really do instructions, just put them together, making them, a little chit-chatting with, I think Trish was on there with me. I did distress all of the edges with my little distressy tool, so they're real rough. And these little library cards in here, so they're all printed really neutral on the back so that someone could write on those. This little seahorse is along for the ride. And then this is simply a folded piece of cardstock, both sides you could write on. Some gears. I distressed those to try to make them look a little rusty. This beautiful tag, added her some bling and some washi tape, which I did glue down. These pockets were a part of the kit. And these little booklets, I'm not sure they're supposed to be booklets. I think they were, because the way she created them, that had a little spine right here. So I didn't put any extra pages in there. Oh, I love this print right here. It's super cute. And then another little stack of images. They're all very neutral on the back, kind of this creamy blue swirl. Neutral print. There's another hidden paper clip up there. And I added a couple of fish to this page. Didn't really do a lot to it. This guy, he's one of the few things I printed on paper, so I cut him out and I glued him all the way down instead of making him into a pocket. Normally something that size I would go ahead and make a pocket out of, but I didn't want him to get ripped over time. This cool little triple tag, I didn't know if she'd intended for it to be cut apart, but I thought it was pretty neat, leaving it as a little booklet, and the handsome captain there. This girl, I made her into a tuck spot back behind, and when you open her up, you get a little envelope, some goodies in it, and this tag, and an old diving helmet. And I got all kinds of little bits and pieces in here. Some tickets. Yeah. all snuck in there. Back, I used a couple of gears on here for the pull tab instead of doing another ribbon, something different. I had this awesome, I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can kind of see the iridescent of the strip, and this mermaid actually said like mermaid hair, don't care, but I just ripped it off a mermaid. A little journaling space there. This one is a little envelope. Some more images in there. And then I tucked my tag in behind. I did a double tag on that one. So I left a little tuck spot in there, but I didn't want to cover up very much of the writing space on this one. This one I just used some cardstock. I think it's Stampin' Up. I just ripped the edges. This was a page, and I printed it quarter size or half size, maybe half size on that one. I tore the edges on it as well. Just a little journaling tag and a bookmark. Actually, I think I want the tag on top. Oh, hang on, let me change that. There we go. And I made this belly band, mermaid holding it down in the center. Put little pull tabs on these. Again, I printed these half size, so 2 to a page. On both of these, I wanted to be able to see the steam room, or what was the steam room. And everything has broken glass. And let's see. Go. Yes, there is noise in the background. My husband's doing a little home project in his little room off of our garage, kind of a tiny office where he ties his fishing flies. So I made a belly band out of this, and I cut part of it off. Another one of those library cards. A couple of little seahorses again. This is just one of the captain's logs. This one's one of his lost papers, apparently. Stuck it back here behind this. Another one of the little envelopes with some more cute little prints. Oh, I got 2 this time. Little tuck. I had a friend tell me she loves these little tuck spots for the envelopes, so now I'm probably doing it way too much, but it works, and it's cute. And it doesn't add bulk, so that's always a good thing. This little squid, look how cute he is. Oh, did you see this guy? He's one of my favorite images. Ah! Love him. Oh, is that one glued together? A little bit glued together. Oh no. Oh no. Whew. So my husband needed some mica to repair, I don't know, an amp for our son's bass or something like that. Anyways, he had to buy 100 of them. He needed like 1 or 2, and so I have all these cool mica tabs, and I thought, well, they look kind of festive, like a little banner. So, and I did add some Wink of Stella to our mermaid over here. This is the last of the library cards. This time a little dolphin got caught up in the reading. And here I made well, this tag came with it. I love the tentacle. It's so cool. But I made a little collapsible box. So open it up. There's a pouch of cards in here. This one I hooked on with some of the tabs, but kind of an accordion fold out thing. This one threw me. I wasn't real sure about this fold on this one, but I think it turned out. I kind of like it. And then I threw in all kinds of stuff you would find. Just found bits and pieces, more tags, some more gears, pictures. Our little hidey hole box there. Oh, Why am I struggling today? So yeah, I woke up with a sinus headache and it is not doing me any favors. Okay, just a simple little pocket here with another bookmark. The little square, I didn't know what that was for, so I just tucked it in. I figured, you can write something on there. My last hidden paper clip, stuck an envelope in there with, oh, there's the map. There be the map. Underneath there. Add a crab there. And there she is. And then the very last page, I do have a little folding issue there. I made a flip out. This awesome deep embossing folder from Tim Holtz. So just a few more items that I stuck in here. Some more writing spaces. Fold out strip. Write on those. And this one. Right on the back of that, and another little journaling card. So this print was so pretty. I wanted to use it somewhere, but I didn't want to put it in the book. So this was the perfect spot for it. A little seahorse there. And close it up. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.